Has Donald Trump just reverted the crypto market? Has he caused the reversal to happen? Is the bull run officially back on? Well, there's some very interesting things going on, not only from a technical standpoint, but will there be finance, Japan, and the SEC all aligning to start another push on the Bitcoin price? We'll talk all about it in this video. Go ahead, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. While you're there, don't forget, check out the links in the description. We've got a fantastic new exchange partner with BLOFIN offering a brilliant deposit bonus. Check that link out. It's definitely worth your time. Now, with that being said, let's get into this video. So let's start here. World Liberty Finance. We've been tracking this wallet now for quite a considerable length of time. $84 million is what's currently in there, with their top holding still being Ethereum. Now, I see so many people talking about Ethereum being dead and that it's never going to do anything. And yet, so many people still hold huge bags of it, getting those rewards and equally those staking returns. And also, World Liberty Finance are now buying a little bit of cash, $3 million worth of USDT bought 3 days ago. Do they know something is coming? Are we about to see the pivot? Well, there's a couple of things going on that is happening behind the scenes. Namely, the fact that Trump is now taking bold steps to back the cryptocurrency arena even further. You may ask how? Well, the launch of the USD1, that's a stablecoin that is backed by World Liberty Finance. Now, what is this going to be all about? Well, it's almost a step towards a CBDC without being government-led, and I think this is an important narrative to think about. It says during the election, Trump showcased his commitment to the cryptocurrency by signing a contract and launching World Liberty Finance. Now, it goes on to say World Liberty Finance with their announcement of a stablecoin initiative on Tuesday. World Liberty Finance is embarking on another significant adventure, highlighting Trump's determination in the crypto sphere once again. Stablecoin named USD1 will be backed by short-term US treasuries, US dollar deposits, and other cash equivalents. Now, this is an important point to reference. Cash equivalents are very interesting. Treasuries, deposits, and we actually talked about this on my XRP video. Go and check that out, just around tokenization and why this is so important. It's going to be on the BNB chain, but the fact that it's going to be cash equivalents as opposed to cash or one-for-one crypto assets deposits is very, very important. And what this means, in my opinion, is it is another way of managing inflation, but putting it on the blockchain, hedging your bets against a more stable asset, cryptocurrency, whether that be a stablecoin backed by the dollar or whatever it is, versus the general inflation that we're seeing in the market. Yes, we know that the CPI data came in good. We know the Fed held their funds rate, much to, I think, the disappointment of the Trump administration, but this could be a bullish turn. I think this could be very key as to how this plays out over the course of the next 6 months, as to whether we get interest rates for, 1, 2, or 3 by the end of the year. They're obviously getting pretty bullish, launching it on both Ethereum and the Binance Smart Chain. But what are the key things? Well, it's going to provide algorithmic and anonymous crypto projects that they can't access the power of DeFi, but it's going to underpin it with credibility and safeguards to make sure that traditional finances are not used. They're offering digital dollar, stablecoin, and sovereign investors and major institutions can confidently integrate into their strategies and seamless, secure cross-border transactions. They are fundamentally going after the core of the cryptocurrency market, which is stablecoins, and why they're so important. So I think this is going to be very interesting, particularly when you start talking about global finance and the treasuries that we have. And I think this is a way of printing money, offsetting that offsetting that inflation rate by then backing crypto. And I think this is a very sensible way of doing it. Again, backed by World Liberty Finance. Let's not kid ourselves. Donald Trump is a shrewd businessman. Now, doubling down, we obviously know the SEC task force will be continuing to host 4 more industry roundtables, making sure that what they're doing around tokenization, DeFi, and crypto custody are all very important. Again, don't forget Ripple X coming out with their custody service very much recently as well. Whether that gets integrated, we will see. But I think this is a very pro stance for both regulation, integration, and the support of innovation when it comes to the crypto market. So expect to see some very bullish things coming out of these over the course of the rest of the year. And finally, Circle, now a US-based company, cracks Japan, and USDC will become the first approved stablecoin of Japan. Now, we know Japan's suddenly gone very bullish on crypto, offering tax breaks and much, much more. This is a big deal. Why? It's another US company broadening the ability for other countries to get involved with stablecoins. The market moves on stablecoins. Whether you like it or not, that is simply the case. It is the core of everything that people do. And I think Trump and the administration realize this. Build a solid infrastructure around stablecoins, and then you are in a world and a position where you can go off and do other things, whether that be cracking Japan, getting into the markets over there. We know that already Coinbase, Binance, and a few others moved over there back in late 2022. This obviously is very critical as to how they've now played this out. So I think we'll see more and more countries adopting the ability to get, say, USDC. We know USDT's had some problems in Europe. Watch this space. And I think all of this underpinned by a very interesting chart playing out here on the Bitcoin 3-day. What are we seeing? Well, we're seeing this descending wedge with a very interesting moment coming up. The last few days have seen a bullish move. Are we about to see the break? The uptrend on that 100-day exponential moving average breaking to the upside, short-term 20-day moving back to the upside, heading up to this key range around that late $93,000, $94,000, $95,000 range could be very critical in seeing a very bullish momentum aligned to a potential MACD conversion to the upside as well. So there's lots of positives to think about. Trump, once again, pushing the market as we move towards further regulation and, more importantly, further adoption of the cryptocurrency market. As always, we're going to keep you posted on everything going on in this market. All you have to do, hit that like button and smash that subscribe button to make sure that you are part of our community. Check those links out, as always, in the description, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.